guys, and welcome to my channel!
One, two, three.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
And I'll be trying out the mask and the snorkel that Leader Fins Manila sent me. This is a gift, so I'm gonna be trying them out. So I already peeled the plastic film from the inner and the outer part of the mask. So let's go ahead and try this out underwater, guys. I'll be using the Leader Fins Manila ice for the ice and the snorkeling mask that they sent us. So let's go ahead and try this. Go ahead and try them out. Okay guys, so first impression, nindot kayo siya labi na kanina design because walay samok din sa tunga. It already has anti-fog, so I hope dili siya mag-fog when I go down. But so far, I love the view. Dako kayo ihang glass and I hope I like it underwater. So let's go. Feedback. What should nag-fog? So far, no negative feedback about this mask. So if you want to buy this mask, please refer to Leader Fins Manila Facebook page. You can check them out. I can also give you the link in the description box below. So guys, you must buy this. I really love the view underwater. Walay sagabal sa tunga and grabe, wide kay imong view underwater. So thank you so much Sir John Dizon for giving me this set after buying the ice from your store, and I hope you guys support him as well by going to his Leader Fins Manila page and by purchasing any of the products there. Right behind me is Plantation Bay already, right? And yeah, there is Plantation Bay, and on my left side is Uncle Mike's crib. So we actually opt for the more affordable price because it's still accessible anyway. So we swim in the same sea, so everyone please do take care of our ocean, just like how I take care of it. So if you see trash underwater, please don't hesitate to pick it up and bring it to the land and throw throw it in the trash bin. Alright, it's just me, your mermaid Margaret, reminding you of taking care of the planet. See you later! I'm just swimming with the fishes today. Uncle Mike's crib has a mermaid statue, but it's somewhere near here. And there are also big rocks where you can sit if you're tired. Just like today, since it's low tide, you can sit on the rock here. You can basically sit here and just like be like Ariel, just watching the people swim and enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead later on and take a look at Ariel, at the mermaid statue, if it's still there. Let's go. Nice. Asa to sirena dapit ya? Terus layo pa? Akan na buya? Layo eh. Kunya taon. Wadlok pa ko. Ay mao, tabunan na di ay. Taga diri ra kaya Marigondon? Marvin, taga Marvin si Kuya sa mga niya. Jessic? Joseph. Ang isda si Kuya guys, so ato na pasagdaan si Kuya. Bye Kuya.